So we was planning on finishing a lot of stuff, and we got a lot of stuff done. You know, we did the custom panels here with the wrap. We did the back. We did the third brake light, which I still gotta find one of them plugs to get that finished. Then we did that trim up there. And yeah, man, we got blue flowing all the way, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta try and make sure it don't rain on me while I make this drive. Man, I love driving this car. Y'all cannot wait for this car to get finished at the fabrication shop, so I can just cruise in it again. But yeah, man, y'all know new floor pans will be getting installed. Y'all know how rusty these are. New floor pans will be getting installed, and then y'all know the T-top kit is gonna get installed as well. The T-top repair kit, because y'all know they took all that up. Some metal will get fabricated for there and for there. So some metal will get fabricated. Like I said, y'all hear the rain, so I got to try to hurry this up. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Now, I know I told y'all I was gonna give y'all like an update video. Y'all hear it's raining now, that's why I can't take the car cover off. But yeah, like I said, I was gonna give y'all an update video before we drop this Cutlass off, but it's too late, you know what I'm saying? The Cutlass gonna get dropped off, and today's the day, you feel me? So, oh man, it's starting to pour now. I gotta hurry this up. But yeah, man, so I'm gonna have to drive the car. And it's supposed to rain every day, so I really don't have a choice. And he told me he's ready for me to bring it now. And when I take it to him, it's going right into his shop. You feel me? It ain't gonna be sitting no more. We ain't gotta wait no more. None of that stuff. You know what I'm saying? So today's finally the day. You feel me? So I'm excited, man. I hope y'all excited too. We finally finna go ahead and drop the Cutlass off. Let's go ahead and turn the interior light on. Look at that, man. Y'all know we was planning on finishing a lot of stuff. Hold on, let me see if I can. So we was planning on finishing a lot of stuff, and we got a lot of stuff done. You know, we did the custom panels here with the wrap. We did the back. We did the third brake light, which I still gotta find one of them plugs to get that finished. Then we did that trim up there. And yeah, man, we got blue flowing all the way, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, man, I hope y'all excited just like I am to finally drop this car off. I'm so excited. This car needed to be dropped off, and you feel me, now it's time. So yeah, as y'all know, we got to get the new floor pans done. We getting T-top seals, or the T-top repair kit installed, getting all new weather stripping all the way throughout the car. Try to get that rear bumper pushed out a little bit, you know what I'm saying, because it's pushed in a little bit. Then when we get the car back, it's full throttle, you know what I'm saying, full throttle to finish everything I needed to do, you know what I'm saying. And that's gonna be installing all the parts that's inside my Charger and finally get all that stuff out of that car, including like that big old dashboard box, which is really the main big box in there besides the carpet, you feel me. So like I said, man, I'm super excited to finally drop this car off and finally get everything fabricated. And like I said, I was gonna do an update video, but you feel me, I was gonna do it yesterday, but you feel me, some stuff just turned up and I was busy doing a lot of other stuff, and you feel me, I'm just in grind mode right now. So regardless, it's grind season right now, you know. My Charger's finna get dropped off, my box Chevy's finna get dropped off, the new motor finna go in the box, the AC finna get fixed with the Charger. Yeah, it's so much stuff going on, a lot of money being spent, even though y'all know I don't have a job. So I'm trying to be cautious with this money being spent, but it got to get spent, and this stuff got to get done regardless. You feel what I'm saying? So this video, we're just gonna be driving. I'm just gonna be driving the car to drop it off, so y'all just gonna see a little bit of driving footage, you know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all enjoy it. I honestly don't know how I'm gonna set up the camera, because this seat ain't bolted down, so I don't know how I'm gonna do the driving footage part yet. So that's something I'm still have to figure out. But yeah, man, y'all know new floor pans will be getting installed. Y'all know how rusty these are. New floor pans will be getting installed. And then y'all know the T-top kit is gonna get installed as well, the T-top repair kit, because y'all know they took all that up. Some metal will get fabricated for there and for there. So some metal will get fabricated. Like I said, y'all hear the rain, so I got to try to hurry this up. But yeah, man, I'm trying to wait till the rain cool down some before we go ahead and take the car. And yeah, man, I'm excited. So I'm gonna probably go ahead and put some more tape, take that tape down, put some more tape up there to hold this wire, which is the wire for them lights back there and everything. Well, y'all can't even tell, but yeah, that's the wires, you feel me? So like I said, man, I hope y'all excited just like I am to get all this stuff installed. And I will catch on once we get ready to get on the road. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all. That way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. And yeah, like I said, I catch y'all once we get ready to get on the road. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright y'all, so we finna get ready to get on the road now. So let's go ahead and start this little driving journey to drop the car off. I'm gonna have to hold y'all a little bit. Hold on. Alright. Now, let's start this drive. I'm sorry if it be a little jumpy, y'all. But y'all definitely let me know what y'all think about this angle. If y'all like this angle, I could definitely start doing it more. And I'm trying to make it to this shot before it starts raining. Y'all know I don't have no tops on. I gotta try and make sure it don't rain on me while I make this drive. Man, I love driving this car. Y'all cannot wait for this car to get finished at the fabrication shop, so I can just cruise in it again. Especially during this summertime, you know. I'm so ready to just start driving this car again. I'm excited, man. I'm telling you, I'm so excited. And I hope y'all excited too to see this car get this work done. I can't wait, man. I'm telling y'all, I cannot wait. And like I said, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about this angle. I know the angle ain't the best. I know it ain't perfect. But it's what we working with, you know what I'm saying? Because y'all know this seat, it ain't bolted down. So, gotta do what we gotta do, you feel what I'm saying? Come a bump. Up now, so I will catch y'all hopefully, well, after you feel me, I get finished talking to the dude, so I'll catch y'all in a second. Alright y'all, so the Cutlass gone, you know what I'm saying? They got pulled right into the shop and y'all know it's already torn down, so they finna start, you feel me, cutting out the floors and everything, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I'm super excited, I cannot wait to get that car back. And with the new floor pans, you know what I'm saying? So like I told y'all, man, it's a lot of stuff going on this weekend just for me, you know what I'm saying? Well, this towards the end of the week, so I can say this week really. So today we dropped the Cutlass off. I think tomorrow I'm gonna be dropping my charger off. I gotta talk to the dude that's gonna do my AC stuff. So he installing the AC compressor, the condenser, and some Freon, you feel me? We're gonna redo the entire AC system just to have it, make sure everything is new and everything is working so I can have some air in this car. So I gotta talk to him. I think he told me to bring it tomorrow. It was supposed to have been today, the same day I dropped the Cutlass off, but it's been raining and you feel me, it just ain't working out right now. So like I said, I think that's gonna be tomorrow. Then as soon as he finished my charger, the dude that's doing my charger, the AC stuff, this also the same dude is gonna be putting my box Chevy's new motor in. So as soon as he told me, as soon as he finished his charger with the AC, bring him my box Chevy, and he gonna go and pick up the motor for me and drop it in the car. You know what I'm saying? Then he gonna bring the old 350 back to the crib. You know what I'm saying? So it's a lot, man. Today we dropped off the Cutlass. Next we finna drop off the charger. Then we finna drop off the box Chevy. And I'm gonna be out of a car for a little minute, but it'll be all right. You know what I'm saying? It'll be all right. Well, not really, because I should have my charger back, then drop my box Chevy out. So I'm not really gonna be out of a car, but my 2 old schools are gonna be gone. You feel me? And those 2 are my pride and joys. You feel me? I get rid of everything, but not those 2 cars. Them the only 2 cars, only 2 things I really care about not getting rid of. You feel me? So, like I said, man, I'm excited, man. We finna get the Cutlass fabricated. The motor in the box Chevy finna get thrown in. Y'all stay tuned for all them videos to come, that when we pick up the box Chevy, when we drop it off for the motor change, when we pick it up with the new motor in, and driving for the first time with that built motor. You feel me? And I'm gonna be putting that car on the road. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be in that car a lot. So this, especially this summer. So y'all, please, y'all stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? Cutlass should only be gone for a couple weeks to get fabricated. I should get it back maybe middle of June, you know what I'm saying? And I should have it back by the 4th, you know what I'm saying? I can drive it during all of July, all of August. I can really drive that car all the time because I got AC in it. I just got to put Freon in that car. Box Chevy don't have Freon or AC, so I can't really drive that one too much in the summer because it's gonna be burning this summer, you know. But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be in my old schools all summer, you feel me? And we're gonna keep grinding, we're gonna keep working, keep installing stuff. You know what I'm saying? Y'all just gotta stay tuned, man. Y'all know this whole car is filled with Cutlass parts. I gotta get my exhaust redone, throw this dash in there, get the seats redone, put them door panels in, put the door speakers in, wire up them door speakers. It's a lot we finna do, man. Y'all know I'm finna be busy this summer, but for the first step was getting it fabricated, and we just dropped it off. So like I said, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this. I know the driving was really short. It's like 3 minutes. It ain't far from the crib I stay at all. You know what I'm saying? It ain't far at all. So y'all know every day I can ride by it, check it out, make sure, see how everything going, check how everything going, and just make sure everything going smoothly and good, you know, make sure there ain't nothing else we need. But dang, I forgot. I gotta go back and tell him. I gotta go back out to his shop and tell him I need that bumper pushed out. He told me he had a hydraulic pump to use to push it out, you feel me? So I gotta make sure I remind him to do that, because I didn't remind him then. The only thing he remembered to do is the floors and T-tops and the weather stripping and stuff. So I definitely gotta go back and tell him I need that rear bumper pushed back out, you feel what I'm saying? Because yeah, it's pushed my third brake light, or not my third brake light in, but my reverse light in, the lens, and pushed it in and stuff from the bumper being pushed in. So I definitely gotta get him to push that out. And then once I get the car back, I'm gonna figure out the electrical issue with the reverse lights, why they not working, you feel me? So yeah, man, I'm excited, man. A lot of stuff to come and a lot of stuff going on with these cars, dropping everything off and then picking everything back up. I'm not gonna make a video dropping the charge off. I'm gonna just make a video when I get my AC done, you feel me? And then box Chevy, I'm gonna make a video dropping it off, and then a video picking it up. But like I said, man, y'all just gotta stay tuned. There's so much I'm finna do. I'm finna fix the frame, the surface rust on the frame on my box Chevy, and once the Cutlass get back, I'm gonna do the same thing with that one. It's a lot, man, a lot I'm finna be recording. So y'all, like I said, y'all just stay tuned. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like the video, turn that post notification bell to all, the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel and share these videos. Keep growing and elevating together. And like I said, man, subscribe, man, join the family. Let's keep growing together. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Y'all stay tuned. I love y'all. Peace out.